Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel TechChimp. Today I'm going to teach you how to create pop-up in WordPress website. So let's start. First of all, go to plugins in left sidebar. Click on add new button. Now search pop-up maker here in search box. We are going to use this pop-up maker plugin. Click install now button. It will start installing plugin. After installation, click on activate button. Click create your first pop-up button. I am going to skip this tour. Write pop-up name in first input box and pop-up title below this. The pop-up title will be visible on pop-up box. In description box, you can write anything you want. I am writing this: welcome to my YouTube channel TechChimp as a heading. In this box, you can even insert images also. Scroll down and add new trigger. It is asking which trigger do you want, like click open, time delay, auto open, or form submission. I am selecting auto open option. It will automatically open on refresh page. Click add button. Here you can increase or decrease time delay of pop-up. In cookie expire option, you can set session as cookie time. Click on targeting option. Here you can select the specific page or content where you want your pop-up to be triggered. I am selecting home page. On home page refresh, my pop-up will be triggered. On this screen, you can disable pop-up on mobile devices or even on tablet also. Click on display tab. You can select display presets here, like where you want your pop-up to be triggered. There are multiple positions where pop-up can be triggered, like center, right bottom, top bar and left bottom. So center position has been selected successfully. In appearance tab, you can design the theme of pop-up. I am going to select Lightbox theme. In size tab, select the size of pop-up like medium, normal, large. In animation tab, you can select animation type like slide, fade or both. In sounds tab, you can give sound to pop-up, like I am giving beep sound on pop-up opening. In position tab, you can select pop-up position from the list. In close tab, you can customize close button like its text or increase delay time. In form submission tab, you can click here if you want to close pop-up after submission. There are alternate methods also available. In advanced option, you can disable automatic re-triggering of pop-up. Click publish button. Let's see final result on home page loading. So finally you can see our pop-up has been automatically triggered. You can change or remove the title of this pop-up. I am going to remove this pop-up title. Let's again see the result. You can see the title has been removed. So guys, you can also create pop-up in your WordPress website like this. If you like this video, click subscribe button for latest updates. Thank you.